This Chrome extension tool will help you to rank on the top of Google My Business profile. Let me show you how. The tool name is Pleeper Local SEO Tool, and add it to your Chrome extension. Sorry if my voice is a bit low, cold. So you search dental clinics near me and you will get a list. And once you click on the Chrome extensions which you install, now here you can see the dental clinic is 14 and 33% weightage. That's the primary keyword. And most of the businesses miss secondary keywords that also add a weightage to ranking your profile. You see, dentist 9%, dental implants something, okay, 7.14%, hospital 7.14%, dental hygienist. In a similar way, no matter what business you have, no matter whether you are a freelancer trying to approach a client, you can use this Chrome extension to find out what are the secondary keywords that business owners are missing. You can reach out to them and get clients. I'll show you the next process. Now here you see it will also show you average rating 4.47. That means if you want to rank for this keyword, you should have a 4.47 average rating and you should have minimum 74 reviews, and max 5-star rating are 5. Isn't it mind blowing? Okay, so you can also have a max reviews that is 365. And now what you need to do is like monitor Google My Business profile. There is an option to give access to your Google My Business profile, and so that it will tell you what mistakes you're doing, where you're good at, where you're bad at. Here you see GBP related others, a lot of things you'll get it. What you need to do is like take a screenshot of what exactly it has provided. Okay, now go to, let's say now I've given Google business category helper. Now I given Dikshi homemade food. This is one of our client. And now here you see we identified few competitors like PBR, Tokku Biryani. Now we've got to know, oh, we are missing something these people are doing, that we have to immediately install in the client business profile. Isn't it mind blowing? Now take the screenshots and go to Google My Business profile. Okay, and make sure you ask to create a simple one page SEO plan. Now it will create based on the screenshots where you need to improve, what exactly you need to do. Now what you need to do is like you can ask ChatGPT to write a personal outreach message to the Google My Business profile business owner, so that I will implement whatever I have learned so far and I can help you to rank on the first page of Google. Isn't it mind blowing? By the way, if you're looking to get clients using AI, onboard clients using AI, serve clients using AI, I'm conducting a free workshop where I'm gonna give you access to it. And comment workshop on this reel along with this document, clear document, like how exactly the process I have done from start to end. Along with that, I'll give you workshop ticket access so that you can click and register and attend. See you.